everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last upload. Actually, that was Christmas fault, and I have a new Mac now, and apparently it makes me look like I'm small in a huge world. But yeah, that's cool, having new things. That's what Christmas is all about, right? So today we're going to talk about how to install React, Vite, and Tailwind. What is Tailwind? Tailwind is a collection of utility classes that avoid your code to be filled with CSS files that have a lot of things that you can just do with assigning a class to an element. Okay, so it's very popular. Everybody uses it. Everybody uses Tailwind. If you are doing a dashboard, if you are creating an application, it's very possible that you're gonna be asked if you know something about Tailwind. So I suggest you to learn it. Some people don't like it, some people loved it. I don't have an opinion on it. I feel like it's a good tool, but installing it is a mess. So that's why today we're going to do the ultimate tutorial for installing React, Vite, and Tailwind. Okay? Okay, let's stop playing. This was all I don't know why, but I always have a very bad time installing Tailwind with Vite and React. I always have a bad time doing that. I don't know why, but I need to configure post CSS. Then I need to make sure the plugins are okay. Then I make sure that I'm not using the CDN on production. There are a lot of things that can happen. Okay, so I have the solution for you guys. You go to tailwind-react.com, then you get the script. You either get it for PowerShell in case you're using Windows, or you get it for Bash or CSH. So what I recommend is to download the setup in a folder that you feel comfortable. I'm gonna download it on movies, and it's going to be a setup. Okay. Then you can go to movies. What is this? Clear. You can go to movies, and then you need to execute it, but if you try to execute it just like that, it's going to give you an error. So you have to give it permissions. So chmod execution setup. Then you execute it. And look at that. It is asking me for my project. So this is going to be my React Tailwind project. So it is installing everything. And look at that. And apparently if we do cd my React, and then I like to use pnpm. Let's see if it works with pnpm dev, and we have the link. Okay, let's see what it has. Oh my god, look at that. It has Tailwind installed. It has Vite installed, Vite, Tailwind, and React, all in just one single file. How did I do that? I just run this command right here, the setup, and then now I have all of the things configured, so you don't lose time every time you have to create a project. Please, every time you have to create a Tailwind project with React, don't lose time. Please don't lose your time. Just use tailwind-react.com and use this script right here. Then after that you can install the custom fonts, you can install the plugins, you can set the dark mode, and that's it. Start building now with Tailwind and React. And if you feel that this is saving you time, I will appreciate you if you go here and it doesn't have my user apparently. Well, I need to fix that, but I think this one has. Yeah, you can help me with $1 or just comment this video. Just comment this video and say thank you. Just save me time, and that's it. But if you feel like you want to buy me a coffee, or buy me a coffee on either of these links. I did this with all of the love of my heart, because I have that same problem when I'm trying to work with React, Tailwind, and Vite. Always there's a configuration issue. And if you take a look at the file that this creates, it has this configuration ready. I don't know, wait, no, this is in movies. So it has the post CSS configuration ready, it has the byte configuration ready, and it has everything you need to start working on Tailwind. So stop losing time and use tailwind-react.com. That's it for today, guys. I hope to see you next. I hope to see you these days. I'm gonna keep uploading videos, and thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. Bye.